Finally, what I want to talk about is different publications that are out there. These are examples of 3 really great publications out there that are published on an annual basis by the top 3 PBMs in the country. These are really great publications if you want to look at information in regards to pricing utilization together, as well as best in practice management of those pricing for specific groups or for specific employer groups. But like I said before, I mean, the difference here is that they're really focused around prices related to utilization. They're focused around how does the network impact those price utilization. They focus on overall health spend. So it's not really actionable per se on monitoring for specific drug A or specific drug B. How do we monitor over time and do something today, as opposed to waiting 6 months, a year, and then creating some kind of an action that the time period for doing something has essentially long gone. And then finally, I mean, these are company-specific publications, so they do have a sales component to them in regards to that they want to show that the programs that they have in place are the best in class, and that they will help employer groups or whoever they're managing best control their overall trend. So where are the opportunities here? Well, so one is the evaluation of pricing of drugs that are covered under the medical benefit, specifically looking at information on drugs as it relates to today, right? So what are the costs on a specific price today, and then how does it compare to prices historically, so that we can take action on it very quickly, not in 6 months, a year from now. We also want to be able to focus on individual drugs unit pricing, right? We don't want to say, okay, let's look at all patients with an autoimmune condition or rheumatoid arthritis as an example, or oncology, or a specific, let's say, non-small cell cancer. But at a specific HCPCS level, okay, so as an example, let's pick on the most popular drug, infliximab, is that for, let's say, infliximab or doxorubicin or whatever it might be, how do I know how that drug is performing from a price perspective, and should it be triggering some kind of action on my part to better manage that cost? Or maybe I do have some things that I currently do, but I want to be able to make sure that I'm doing everything that I can.